Get the fan on, get that window open. This is too much. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Come on in, take a seat. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I style mum jeans. I have two pairs of mum jeans, both of which I absolutely love. They are both from the brand F&F. You can find them in Tesco stores, Next stores. Sadly, you can't order online. As far as I'm aware, you can't anyway. I'm a bit of a bigger girl myself. Both of these pairs of jeans I've got in a size 18, and I find with mum jeans, if you're a bigger gal or a bigger guy, it is so hard to find a great pair that fit. This is not sponsored or an ad or anything. They don't know I exist at all, but these are the jeans that I found that I fell in love with, and I know the struggle being a bit bigger and not having mum jeans that fit. So these are the ones that I found. I will show you them, and then like I said, I will show you 5 different outfits to kind of style with them and how I style them as well. Hopefully give you guys some inspo, and I hope that the angle and everything is okay. I don't really have any space to kind of film full length things really well, which is a lot in my try on hauls. I use my phone, so I hope that the angle and everything's okay. If it's not, just don't let me know, because it makes me sad. But yeah, I'm gonna go and put these on now. So this is the first outfit that I love and is so me and so day night. There's nothing more than I love than a bodysuit and jeans, and this is incredible. This bodysuit is from Moi. I'm actually an ambassador for them, and I will leave my code on the screen. It is SophieBBeauty. You can get 20% off anything from their site. And this bodysuit, hello! Date night. Boris needs to make sure I can go on a date soon, because this is taking a me. I've teamed it with a black leather jacket. This one is from Miss Selfridge. My black Gucci belt, a little Louis clutch, and then the shoes are recently hauled from Primark. I'm obsessed. They're like little black, small-heeled, strappy heels, and I'm in love. This is a whole vibe for me. I love wearing bodysuits, like I said. I love like a little jacket, mum jeans, like I'm here for this. I keep looking at myself in the mirror like, hey girl, where are we going? I teamed it with some big hoops. These are from, I think it was just like the market in Arndale. A little necklace and then a little bracelet as well. And just imagine I've got false nails on too. Like this outfit needs nails. Ugh. Are you allowed to be in love with yourself this much? Because something's happening here. Something's happening. So this one is probably one of my favorite ones. It's just super chilled, super casual, kind of like going shopping, just running out. Well, not running out, but you know, like we're just going to town, we're just chilling. I've got the ripped mum jeans on. I have my orangey red sandals that I recently hauled from Primark. I brought it from Moi as well. My t-shirt is from the brand Colin Terry, but it says Yves Saint Laurent Paris on there. It's like a nice like washed out grey kind of colour, super chilled, casual, baggy. My earrings are little heart ones that say Boss. I got those from Topshop. Sunglasses are Gucci, because like the red ties in with the shoes, and then I would probably pair this with my little red Vivenne Westwood bag as well, just to tie in with the shoes. Hopefully you guys can still hear me because you're so far away. But yeah, this is kind of just like, oh, well, let's just go shopping and chill. Like nice, like casual afternoon drinky winkies with the girls. I say drinky winkies, all I drink is Diet Coke, so yeah. I'm very toying with a belt with this. I think I would have to do a red belt, but I've only got like an orange, and the orange clashes a bit too much, but definitely a belt is needed, I reckon. But this is the next one. This is probably definitely one of my favorites, I'm not gonna lie. I really like this one a lot. So this one is very much my 90s girl, poppin', like Northern Quarter kind of vibes, like that kind of thing. I'm obsessed with the 90s, if you guys did not know. I've paired them with the ripped mum jeans, again F&F, a pair of trainers. This little white rib top here is from Urban Outfitters. I've cut it down myself, added some safety pins myself. The denim jacket, the cropped one, is Zara. Little bag, ASOS. from Obey and it's Tom, so thanks babe for that. The earrings are bamboo earrings. I think they're from like Misguided or the Arndale Market, somewhere like that. And then I've got like a little Playboy chain as well, which I got from ASOS Marketplace. But yeah, this is like the 90s vibe if I'm going to the Northern Quarter, if I'm just getting a little bit dressed up. This is kind of something I'd wear for like a shoe fashion event or something, like a shoe launch or I don't know, something like that. But it's just very casual, very like 90s, very me, very me. This one is definitely another one of my favorites. I love wearing like fancy snazzy bras, lingerie, bodysuits, swimwear as like an outfit, as a top almost. So these jeans are the F&F non-ripped ones. I own one ripped and one non. The bra is Pour Moi. I am an ambassador, so I have 20% off. I will leave it all linked down below, and I'll leave the pieces that I wear as well in case you want to shop them. It is strapless as well, which is beautiful. The blazer is ASOS, and then the shoes are again recently hauled from Primark. Just a nice pair of nude strappy barely there sandals. The bag is Givenchy. My earrings are from Vivenne, and my necklace was my nan's. But yeah, this is another one of my favorites. This is perfect for like date night. This is perfect for like girls drinks, like a really nice snazzy evening, or later afternoon, a brunch, a bottomless brunch. I feel like this outfit is bottomless brunch perfection. I love this kind of thing as well with like the mom jeans are a little bit more loose, they're a little bit more baggy. You've got a really nice shape with like the bra being the top and then like a nice jacket over top of it. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of all of them. But yeah, no, I really love this one as well. Right, so the final outfit again is that black bodysuit. Like I said, I absolutely love wearing bodysuits, lingerie, all like that as the top. I think most of the time they fit a bit better than a standard normal like clothing bodysuit. This time I paired it with the ripped jeans because we've gone a little bit more like edgy, just a tiny bit. The orangey red blazer is from Primark. This is probably one of my at least top 5 favorite items in my closet. I love this. If it came in other colors, I'd snap it up so fast. Gucci belt again. Then I've just gone for some Nikes with a few different color waves. The bag that I would do with this would be my Givenchy pervert bag. Tying with the black, tying with the grungy, tying with the edgy kind of like side to this outfit. My earrings are really old ones from, I'm gonna say, River Island. And my necklace, I couldn't remember if I had one on. My necklace is Louis Vuitton. And then I've just shoved my hair in a bun because again, this is probably an outfit that I would do, again, like bottomless brunch, but I would easily, because you know, it's trainers, just put my arms in my sleeves and there you have a shopping outfit as well. Really easy, and the bag will fit in all your shopping that you need to. You can even button the blazer up. You could tie the belt around the blazer if you wanted. But again, I love like the loose fit and like style of the mom jeans with a really nice tight bodysuit and then a nice oversized jacket. But yeah, that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry if I'm a little bit sweaty. It is so hot. I can't have the window open because it makes sounds. The fan is too loud as well. So I'm really warm and sweaty. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do want to see more styling videos, let me know. Let me know how the angles of everything I shot for you was as well. Because if you want to see more styling videos, I may have to try different ways to shoot it. But yeah, I really enjoyed actually doing this. I love doing styling videos. I'm really into fashion. So I hope you guys enjoyed as well. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I feel like you can see the sweat missing in my forehead, which is another reason why my hair's in a bun. But I hope you guys did enjoy this, and until next time, I will see you very soon. Bye.